In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Dropbox in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Dropbox or a seasoned user looking to ensure your files are up to date, this simple guide will walk you through the process of refreshing your Dropbox, ensuring you have the most current version of your files ready and waiting for you. First things first, let's head over to Dropbox.com. It's important to start from the official website to ensure security and to access the most updated version of your files and folders. As you reach the home page, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly interface Dropbox is known for, making it easy for users of all ages and tech savviness to navigate. Once you're there, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the next step of accessing your personal or professional Dropbox account. It's a straightforward process, but remember, always double-check your internet connection. A stable connection ensures a smoother experience in cloud storage platforms like Dropbox. Now, many of us are accustomed to using our Google accounts for just about everything, and Dropbox simplifies this process further by offering a Continue with Google option. Clicking on this option allows you to use your Google credentials to access Dropbox, bypassing the need for remembering an additional password. This is particularly useful for those managing multiple accounts or for teams in a workplace setting. Remember, your Google account needs to be previously linked to your Dropbox account for this to work seamlessly. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Files section. This is essentially the heart of Dropbox, where all your stored files and folders reside. This step is crucial, as it brings you directly to your stored data, making the next steps easier and more focused on the task at hand. Finally, we've arrived at the crucial step, refreshing your Dropbox. Look for the refresh button at the top left of your browser. This little icon might seem inconsequential, but it's your gateway to ensuring that the files and folders you're viewing are the latest versions. A quick click here and Dropbox will instantly update, reflecting any changes or additions made by you or by those with whom you share folders. Now, let's talk about a couple of additional tips that can enhance your Dropbox experience. Firstly, consider using the Dropbox desktop app alongside the web version. The desktop app often synchronizes changes in the background, reducing the need for manual refreshes. However, knowing how to refresh Dropbox in the web browser remains a handy skill, especially when accessing it from devices where the desktop app isn't installed or available. Secondly, familiarize yourself with Dropbox's various features and settings. Understanding how to organize your files effectively, use shared folders, and set up notifications for updates can transform how you use Dropbox, making it a powerful tool for personal productivity or collaborative projects. In summary, refreshing Dropbox is a quick and easy task that ensures you're always working with the most current data. Starting from logging into your account either directly or via Google, navigating to the Files section, and finally hitting the refresh button, you're set to go in no more than a few minutes. Remember, keeping your Dropbox updated not only helps in keeping your workflow smooth, but also ensures that collaborations are seamless and efficient. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering one of the many useful features that make Dropbox an essential tool for many. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to streamline your digital life, and don't forget to hit the like or subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Happy file managing!